Applicant Tracking Systems Demystified. According to an article on jobscan.co, approximately 95% of large companies and 50% of mid-sized companies use applicant tracking systems to manage their hiring processes. So, what is an applicant tracking system, you may ask? An applicant tracking system, or ATS, is a software application used to process applications and streamline the hiring process. The ATS does the initial candidate selection by efficiently scanning resumes to find a match between the candidate's experience, qualifications, and skills with the job description. You may be able to tell if a company uses an ATS by seeing if their application link has a subdomain of an ATS company, such as companyname.taleo.com. You can then do a web search on the subdomain name to learn if it's an ATS or not. While ATSs help companies manage the applicant screening process, another article by CIO.com states that error-prone ATSs disqualify about 75% of applicants' resumes before they get looked at by a human. So it's very important that you know how to prepare your resume for an applicant tracking system. Here are some tips to help you do that. First, upload your resume in Word or .docx format. Some ATSs can read PDF documents, but some cannot. Second, use keywords in context. Use exact phrases, action verbs, keywords, and skills from the job description, as long as they're true for you, of course. This is one instance in your writing where it's acceptable to copy and paste, but please don't do that in your homework. Third, do your research. Look at the company's website to see what industry terminology they use. Look up current employees of the company on LinkedIn.com and see how they describe their experience and mirror that verbiage. Again, only if it's true for you. Fourth, use standard formatting for your resume. Review the previous lesson on resume formatting if you need to, and use easy-to-read fonts and clear section titles. Don't use headers, footers, text boxes, tables, or graphs. Many ATSs are confused by those formatting choices, and your resume might appear as a jumbled mess. And finally, feel free to go over the one-page rule if needed. If you have more than one page's worth of relevant experience and qualifications, an ATS won't mind at all. Just be sure that everything on your resume describes your qualifications for the job you're applying for. A couple of useful online tools to help you maximize using an ATS are jobscan.co and wordclouds.com. JobScan can help you compare your resume with the job description, and WordClouds can help you identify common keywords in a job description. And here's one final tip. By networking with peers, alumni, and industry professionals, you might be able to bypass the ATS system altogether and send your resume directly to a hiring manager. You can learn how to use SJSU Handshake to connect with other individuals in our networking module. And in the next lesson, we'll show you how to use LinkedIn.com to connect with SJSU alumni, who could be great partners in your networking and job search strategies. Thanks for watching. Now go, click, learn,